Hello everyone, and congratulations! If you're watching this video, it means you've already taken a big step forward by creating your AlnicoSoft account and successfully connecting it with your Stripe account. You're now ready to move into the next stage of accepting seamless and secure digital payments. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to register your Stripe card reader and start collecting payments from your customers quickly and effortlessly. This is a crucial step to streamline your sales process and enhance your customer experience. If you haven't completed your account setup yet, don't worry. Simply visit the AlnicoSoft homepage, click on the Register button, and follow our earlier tutorial videos where we guide you step by step on how to register your company, connect your Stripe account, and configure your card reader properly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to register your card reader, connect it with your system, and begin accepting real-time card payments from your customers without any hassle. Just a quick note, AlnicoSoft supports multiple payment gateways, but in this demonstration, we are focusing specifically on Stripe integration. To ensure everything works smoothly, make sure you are using a Stripe-approved and also AlnicoSoft-approved card reader that is purchased directly from Stripe. If you need any assistance choosing the right card reader or setting things up, feel free to reach out to us anytime at support@alnicosoft.com. Our team is always ready to help you get started and make the process as smooth as possible. Now that everything is ready, let's jump into the system and see how to process a sales transaction using a Stripe card reader in AlnicoSoft. It is simple and easy. Please switch on your card reader and make sure reader is connected to same Wi-Fi as your machine where you are running AlnicoSoft POS. First, I logged into my AlnicoSoft account. I hope you've already completed the process of connecting your Stripe account with AlnicoSoft. If not, no worries. Check out my other YouTube video where we show step-by-step how to connect your Stripe account. To verify the connection, click on the menu Admin and then the sub-menu Connect. If you see the message, "You are connected to Stripe to process credit card," that means you're all set and ready to register your card reader. Now let's register the card reader. Navigate to Admin then Stripe, then Register Terminal. This opens the Stripe Reader registration page, which has two steps: Locations and Readers. Let's handle Locations. This is where you select the physical location where your card reader will be used, such as your store or office. Next, enter a unique and easy-to-understand name for the location, then click Add Location. Your location is now registered with the system. Next, we move to the Reader section. Here, select the location you just registered, then enter a unique and meaningful name for your reader. Now you'll need to enter the auto-generated registration code to link your reader with AlnicoSoft. To get this code, open the settings on your Stripe card reader, select Generate Pairing Code, and enter the code. The auto-generated registration code will appear on your reader's screen. Enter this code in the registration code field on the AlnicoSoft page. Then click Register Reader. Once successfully registered, the reader will show the home page and a pop-up confirming page will be displayed in the AlnicoSoft application. Click OK. Congratulations! Your card reader is now successfully registered with your AlnicoSoft account. You can even add multiple readers for a single location. Now, it is time to assign the reader to a user, such as a cashier, so they can process credit card payments. Now, let's walk through a sales transaction. Select the product using barcode, product name or product code, and the system will display all product details, including stock, price, discount, and total. You can remove items by clicking the delete icon. Click. Next, go to the sales transaction summary page, where you'll see total discount, subtotal, tax, and grand total. Enter the payment cash, credit, or partial amount in both. For this demo, we'll process $14.21 via credit card. Click the payment button, and the system will display the amount to be collected. You may cancel the transaction by clicking on the Cancel button. Otherwise, follow the instructions on your Stripe reader. The reader will show the exact amount. If correct, ask your customer to tap or insert their card. Once the payment is approved, the card reader will display a success message. Simultaneously, AlnicoSoft will show an authorization page for the salesperson. Click Confirm Pay to finalize the transaction. Immediately, the system will display the sales receipt. You can print it, cancel it. You can also send it directly to your customer via email. You can even print a duplicate receipt if needed by clicking on Print button. Congratulations! You've successfully completed a sales transaction using your Stripe card reader. You're now fully set up and ready to process your next transaction. See how simple and easy that was? And that's it. You've successfully registered your Stripe card reader with AlnicoSoft and completed your first credit card sales transaction, all in just a few simple steps. With AlnicoSoft, accepting payments has never been easier, faster, or more secure. Before you get started, make sure your company is registered with AlnicoSoft. If your company isn't registered yet, you won't be able to unlock the full power of the AlnicoSoft POS system. To get started, simply visit www.alnicosoft.com and click on the registration button. It's quick, easy, and will have your business ready to accept payments in no time. By setting up your card reader, assigning it to your team, and processing transactions seamlessly, you're not only improving your business operations, but also delivering a smooth, professional experience to your customers. Whether you run a single store or multiple locations, AlnicoSoft makes payment management effortless. Remember, this setup is just the beginning. You can add multiple readers, assign them to different users, and keep track of every transaction in real time, while staying connected to Stripe's secure payment network. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our step-by-step tutorials on AlnicoSoft features and tips to grow your business. And if you have any questions or need help with purchasing or setting up your Stripe card reader, reach out to us anytime at support@alnicosoft.com. Start accepting payments today and take your business to the next level. It's simple, easy, and incredibly effective.